Hello and welcome back with another informative video. So today in this video we're going to discuss about the DC motors. So let's talk about it without wasting much time, guys. So the DC motors are the type of electric motor that uses the direct current to produce the rotation, and they are very widely used in the applications such as robotics, automatic systems, and also in industrial machinery. We're using the DC motors, and DC motors works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. When the DC current flows through the stator winding, it produces a magnetic field that interacts with the rotor by causing it to rotate. There are several types of DC motors I've seen, such as the series wound DC motor, shunt wound DC motor, compound wound DC motor, PMDC, that is the permanent magnet DC motor, and the last one, that is the BLDC, that is the brushless DC motor. And in next videos we'll talk about the type of DC motors. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.